Science explains 5 things that happen to your body when you try cupping. It is often said that cupping is an outdated and barbaric medical practice. Well, many people definitely don't know that this amazing technique can do wonders for your health and body. Even though cupping seems contrary to the understanding of how modern medicine works, many experts confirmed the effectiveness of this method. Based on the traditional Chinese medicinal practice of acupressure, cupping is a technique that offers plenty of health benefits. Science finally explains what cupping does to your body, so keep reading and find out more. 5 ways cupping works to improve your health. Cupping is not a technique that you should ever try at home due to the potential risk of infection or injury. According to the International Cupping Therapy Association, ICTA, there is a list of professional therapists who have knowledge of physiology and anatomy and can improve your health. Wet cupping therapy includes minor surface cuts to the skin in addition to the suction that is created by dry cupping. Even though both of these can improve your health, most studies confirmed the effects of wet cupping. This technique has been used in Arabic and Asian medicine for many years. It has been scientifically shown that cupping can improve many physical and mental health problems, including depression, anxiety, intestinal problems, muscle pain, arthritis, cellulite, stretch marks, and the common or flu. Health benefits of cupping: relieves inflammation, deep tissue stimulation, stretches muscle and connective tissue, pulls blood supply to the skin, stimulates the immune system by promoting the flow of lymphatic fluid, encourages circulation, stimulates the flow of qi energy, loosens scar tissue adhesions. 1. Strengthens immune system. Egyptian and Arabian researchers claim that this technique can effectively boost your immune system and clear your blood from pathological substances. In fact, this cupping therapy can increase your immune function by 156%. Without the drug therapy, cupping can increase immune system natural killer cell response by 133%. 2. Reduces chronic pain. According to an Egyptian-Arabian study, cupping therapy can reduce the intensity of chronic pain. Patients claimed that after 1 month of cupping therapy, they experienced 34% reduced pain, 40% after 2 months, and 59% after 3 months. This technique is particularly helpful for people suffering from rheumatoid arthritis and other types of chronic pain. 3. Improves viral and bacterial illnesses defenses. Cupping therapy can also improve influenza, herpes, acne, cellulitis, viral hepatitis, and dermatitis. The effectiveness of this technique is due to its ability to work on multiple bodily systems at once. During this treatment, neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins are released in our neurological system. In the immune system, the temporary skin irritation activates the immune function, thus increasing tumor necrotizing factor, interferons, and the flow of lymphatic fluid. 4. Reduces rates of cardiovascular disease. According to an Egyptian-Arabian study, cupping therapy can reduce heart failure, systolic hypertension, myocardial ischemia, arrhythmia, vascular leg blood clots, myocardial infarction, and heart attack. 5. Reduces headaches. People suffering from a headache and migraine know that this terrible pain can impose difficulties to go through your daily activities. The chronic headaches can make you miss fun social activities and hobbies. Fortunately, cupping can improve your health and effectively treat headache pain. So, don't hesitate to try this incredible technique.
Yeah.